Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how to add and manage multiple locations in the Instawork app, so you can find and book shifts in different cities or areas that suit your schedule and preferences. To begin, open the Instawork app and navigate to the Find Shifts tab at the bottom of the screen. At the top, you'll see your current search location displayed, usually as a city name or area. Tap on this location name or the location icon next to it to open the location search screen. Here, you can type in a new city, zip code, or neighborhood where you want to work. After selecting your desired location, the app will update the available shifts to show only those in that specific area. While Instawork doesn't have a feature that lets you save multiple locations at once within the app, you can switch between locations anytime by repeating this process. This flexibility allows you to explore and book shifts across various cities or regions without the need to create separate accounts. Additionally, changing locations regularly can help you discover more job opportunities and find shifts that better match your availability and preferences. Remember to always double-check the location before booking a shift to make sure it's where you want to work. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.